You think training on an empty stomach kills your testosterone. That's exactly why yours is low right now. You're constantly eating, constantly blocking your hormonal signal, and you don't even notice it. I'll show you what really happens inside your body step by step. You're not tired because you need more food. You're tired because you never stop eating. Think about it. You wake up, eat, snack, eat, train, eat, sit, eat again. Your body never gets a break. And when you train in that state, you're not optimizing hormones. You're suppressing them, especially testosterone, because your system is stuck in one mode, storage. Not performance, not aggression, not dominance, just survival on easy fuel. But when you train on an empty stomach, you force your body into a completely different state. At first, it feels weak, then it feels sharp, then it feels powerful. And why week 2 is brutal. That's where most guys quit right before everything upgrades. Point 1. The insulin block. Most guys think eating before training helps them. More energy, more strength. Sounds logical. It's wrong. Every time you eat, your body releases insulin. Insulin's job is simple: store energy. But here's what most guys don't understand. Insulin doesn't just control fat. It controls your entire hormonal environment. When insulin stays elevated all day, your body never switches modes. It stays in storage. And here's where it gets dangerous. Insulin directly interferes with testosterone signaling. Your brain tries to send the message, produce testosterone. But insulin blocks that communication. Like trying to talk through a wall, the signal never reaches its destination. Consequence, you train hard, but feel no aggression, no edge, no dominance, no testosterone. You look trained, but not powerful. Fix. Train 12 to 16 hours fasted. Don't overcomplicate it. Stop eating 3 to 4 hours before sleep. Skip breakfast the next day. Train late morning or early afternoon. Drink water. Black coffee is fine. No calories. The goal is simple. Get insulin as low as possible before you train. That's when your hormonal signal becomes clear again. Do this 3 times per week. Not once. Not randomly. Consistently. Your body adapts fast. Train your T. Point 2. The energy system shift. Why fasted training feels different. Most guys say, I can't train without food. That's not true. You just trained your body to depend on it. Your body has 2 energy systems: glycogen, limited, fast, fat, massive, slow, powerful. You store around 2,000 calories as glycogen, but over 100,000 calories as fat. That's your real fuel tank. But your body won't use it as long as insulin is high. When you eat before training, you burn sugar. You've already learned. Insulin equals storage mode. But when you train fasted, your body has no choice. It taps into fat, and that changes everything. Your energy becomes stable, your endurance increases, your crashes disappear. Fix. Don't jump into intense fasted workouts immediately. Week 1, do low-intensity training fasted. Week 2, add moderate training, controlled weight sessions. Week 3, now push intensity. Train hard. If you rush it, you'll feel weak. If you build it, you'll feel unstoppable. Your power bonus in this phase? Electrolytes. Salt your water. Stay hydrated. Most low energy is actually dehydration during fasting. Back your hormones, don't fight them. Point 3. The stress gap. Why you feel worse first. This is the phase where most men fail. First 7 to 10 days, you feel worse, not better. Weak muscles, low mood, low libido. You look in the mirror and think, I'm losing everything. You're not. You're adapting. Your body thinks food is scarce, so it increases cortisol. And cortisol suppresses testosterone short term. This is survival mode. Your body chooses survival over reproduction. Always. Consequences are low confidence, doubt, frustration. This is the quitting point. Fix. Stay in. Push through 10 to 14 days. Sleep more. Lower training volume if needed. Avoid stress stacking. Don't combine fasting plus no sleep plus overtraining. Consistency beats intensity. Point 4. Androgen receptor sensitivity. Now things shift. Most men focus on testosterone levels, but that's not the only factor. What matters is sensitivity. Your cells have androgen receptors. That's where testosterone works. Constant eating floods your system with noise, insulin, glucose, stimulation. Your receptors become numb. Fasting removes that noise. Now those receptors wake up. Even normal testosterone levels feel stronger because they are. Studies show fasting increases receptor sensitivity even without increasing total testosterone. Fix. Train fasted at least 3 times per week. That's the trigger. Remove constant food stimulation. No snacking every 2 to 3 hours. No liquid calories between meals. Keep your meals clean, high protein, moderate carbs, whole foods, because junk food equals noise, and noise kills signal. Clear system, strong signal. Point 5. Growth hormone explosion. This is where things get powerful. Fasted training triggers a massive increase in growth hormone. We're not talking small changes. We're talking extreme spikes. Growth hormone protects muscle, burns fat, repairs tissue, and it works directly with testosterone. Testosterone builds. Growth hormone protects and amplifies. Without it, your progress slows down. Fix. Timing matters. Train before your first meal. That's when growth hormone peaks. Keep hard workouts efficient, 30 to 60 minutes max. Heavy compounds, short rest, long workouts increase cortisol, and that kills the benefit. After training, break your fast within 1 to 2 hours. Focus on 30 to 50 grams protein, some carbs, healthy fat, short, sharp, effective. Point 6. Fat loss protects testosterone. Here's the truth. Body fat is not neutral. It actively destroys testosterone. It contains enzymes that convert testosterone into estrogen. The more fat you carry, the more testosterone you lose. Fasted training accelerates fat burning, especially visceral fat. More fat leads to less masculinity. Fix. Most men do this wrong. Don't overeat after fasting. Keep it clean, not extreme, not starving. Focus on protein first. Whole foods, controlled portions, consistency beats intensity. Burn fat, keep your tea. Point 7. The hunter brain. After 2 to 3 weeks, something changes. You feel sharper, focused, driven, more aggressive. This isn't mindset, it's chemistry. Fasting increases dopamine and norepinephrine. Your brain enters hunt mode. You stop being passive, you start acting. Fix. Use fasted mornings strategically. Don't scroll your phone first thing. Don't eat immediately. Delay stimulation. Train first. Move first. Think first. Set one clear goal before training. Fasted focus is powerful. Win the morning. Control the day. Point 8. Autophagy, the muscle quality upgrade. Fasting activates autophagy. Your body cleans itself, removes damaged cells, recycles them, builds stronger structures. You don't lose muscle, you refine it. Initial size loss equals water plus glycogen. Real muscle remains. Without this, inflammation is high, progress is slow. Fix. Don't interrupt the process too early. Stay fasted at least 12 to 16 hours regularly, at least 3 times per week. That's where autophagy activates. Train fasted, break fast with protein. Don't refill your system with garbage. Point 9. Control the metabolic switch. Your body switches fuel systems from sugar dependence to fat independence. This is metabolic flexibility. Now you control hunger, not the other way around. Without it, constant cravings, no control. Fix. Extend fasting window. Train inside it. Build gradually. Start with 12-hour fasting, then 16, then 18. Alternate days. 3 to 5 fasted training sessions per week. This keeps flexibility high. Flexibility always beats perfection. Point 10. Why it feels different after 30 days. After 30 days, everything feels different. Not because testosterone doubled, but because your system changed. Receptors are sensitive. Dopamine is reset. Insulin is controlled. Now testosterone works. Before blocked, now amplified. Quit early. Miss everything. Because week 1 lies to you. Week 2 tests you. Week 3 rewards you. Fix. Commit fully for 30 days. No guessing. No switching plans. Track energy-focused training performance. Not just weight. Real changes are internal. Same hormone, different man. Bonus. Dopamine reset and masculine drive. Most guys think motivation is a mindset problem. It's not. It's a dopamine problem. Here's what's happening. You eat constantly. Sugar, snacks, caffeine, quick hits of pleasure all day. Your brain gets flooded, and when dopamine is constantly high, your receptors shut down. That's dangerous, because when dopamine is flat, your testosterone feels low, even if it isn't. Research shows fasting helps restore dopamine sensitivity and increases reward response over time. Now add fasted training on top. You're not feeding your brain cheap pleasure. You're forcing it to earn it. That changes everything. You don't need more food. You need more control. Train hungry. Stay sharp. Stay dangerous.